Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to write circle text in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that write circle text. Now write your text. Now select from the text. Then going to the insert menu option. Now click on the WordArt option. Then choose the art option. That's it. Then now going to the format menu option. Then click on the text effect option. Now click on the transform option. Then click on the circle option. That's it. Then issue circle write text in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.